Hey dolls, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy but magical pretty summer drink, perfect for you if you like unicorns and pretty things but not the taste of alcohol so much, like me. It's called the Magical Maui Moscow Unicorn Mule. So let's get started. So here's the finished drink, and you can see it has these beautiful unicorn ombre tones from blue to purple to pink, and I'm going to show you the magic that makes that. So what you're going to do is make your magic blue ice. You need an ice tray and the secret ingredient, pea flower extract. This is by Blur. It's 100% natural and it has a very nice sweet taste. So you just put a few drops in each ice compartment. You can put more if you want it more blue, less if you want less. I think it's nice to vary them so you get, different tones and stuff, and it makes it look more magical. And then you just, of course, pour the water in. You know how to make ice cubes, right? So you're going to freeze that, and when they're frozen, you are going to chop up the ice. So I just put it in 2 freezer bags. You really should get a towel and chop that up and put it back in the freezer. Then you also need some regular crushed ice. So you just take a nice glass. If you have a glass mug, that's perfect, but you can use any type of clear glass. Fill it halfway full with crushed ice. And then the next ingredient is you need a pink lemonade. So you can get raspberry lemonade, strawberry lemonade, pink lemonade. I'm using Simply Lemonade raspberry lemonade, and you're going to pour that in first. Pour it in maybe about 3/4 full. And then your next ingredient is ginger beer. Ginger beer is not alcoholic, so it's okay. You could also use ginger ale if you like. This is by Bundaberg and it tastes really good. So pour that in almost to the top. Leave room for your ice. And now you're going to put a little lemon juice on top just to make sure. I know it's lemonade, but the citrus is what makes the magic color change. So I just like to put a little extra on top to make sure we have that effect. And then you get your magic blue crushed ice that you made earlier, and you put it on top. And watch the magic happen. Now, of course, to make this pretty drink even prettier, it's nice to have a few garnishes. So what I do next is cut up a few cubes of mango and put them on a toothpick. Stick it in your glass. And I'm adding a sprig of mint like so. And you can also add a lemon or lime wedge. And there it is. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, when you make this, it just makes people go wow, and it's so easy to make. So let's taste it and see how it is. Cheers! That tastes so good, and with no booze. It's just like the perfect summer drink. So I hope you try this out. If you do, let me know how it goes, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy! Bye.